Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and this is episode 11 of our 30 Podcasts for Beginners series. Think about this. How many times a day do people ask you, "How are you?" And how many times do you just say, "I'm fine, thank you"? Probably every time. But in English-speaking cultures, if you always say, "I'm fine," you might sound a bit cold or robotic. Today, I'm going to teach you how to answer that question with real feelings so you can sound more like a native speaker and truly connect with people. But first, if you want to level up your English every single day, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ready? Let's go. When things are going great, don't just say, "Good." Let's add some color to your happiness. Tip number 1. If something amazing happened, say, "I'm over the moon." I'm over the moon. This is the perfect answer when you have great news. For example, if someone asks, "How are you?" After you got a promotion, you say, "I'm over the moon. I just got a new job." I'm over the moon. I just got a new job. Wow, you can feel the energy in that sentence. Tip number 2, for a more casual, very happy feeling, use couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. It means your life is at 100%. How are you, Michelle? Couldn't be better. Thanks for asking. Couldn't be better. Thanks for asking. But let's be honest, we aren't always 100%. Sometimes we are just okay or a bit tired. Tip number 3, if you are busy or a little tired, use hanging in there. Hanging in there. This is a very common, natural way to say, "I'm okay, but life is a bit busy." If a friend asks, "How are you?" you can say, "Oh, I'm hanging in there. Work is quite busy lately." It sounds very human. Tip number 4, if you are extremely tired, use exhausted or worn out. Instead of "I'm fine," be honest. Say, "To be honest, I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep well." To be honest, I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep well. And what about those days when you feel a little sad or perhaps a bit nervous? Tip number 5, if you are feeling a bit sad, use feeling a bit blue. How are you today? I'm feeling a bit blue today. I think I miss my family. It's a very soft and polite way to share your sadness. Tip number 6, if you are stressed, use a bit on edge. This tells the other person you are nervous. For example, "I'm a bit on edge because I have a big presentation later." I'm a bit on edge because I have a big presentation later. Wow, now they know why you look a little stressed. Now let's practice answering "How are you?" with these new emotions in our shadowing session. I will ask the question and you practice the answer with the right emotion. Ready? How are you? I'm over the moon. I just passed my exam. And now you repeat. How are you? I'm couldn't be better. Everything is great. And now you repeat. How are you? I'm hanging in there. It's been a long week. And now you repeat. How are you? I'm feeling a bit blue today, actually. And now you repeat. How are you? I'm a bit on edge about my interview. And now you repeat. You see, answering "How are you?" is a great chance to show your personality. When you share how you really feel, you build stronger friendships. Episode 11 homework. Michelle is asking you right now, "How are you?" Answer me in the comments using one of our new phrases. I can't wait to hear how you're really doing. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Tomorrow, in episode 12, we will learn how to describe people like a pro. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Don't just learn English, live English. Goodbye and see you in the next episode.